Hello, my name is Miss Rawls, and I welcome you to the Business 101 Introduction to Business course. The first page you will find a welcome announcement from me to you. Please take the time to read it thoroughly. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will find a calendar which lists the dates of the upcoming assignments and their due dates. In order to navigate this course and to review all its contents, please click the Content Tool button on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you click the Content Tool button, you will land on the Overview module. This module provides you a description of the course. Next, please click the Getting Started module. In this module, you'll find several links and resources and information about the course. The first link is a link on how to use D2L. This link has several videos and tutorials on how to review the calendar, communicating, submitting assignments, and so forth. And you will find these videos very helpful in using D2L. Under the Getting Started module, you will also find a link to the college's bookstore. Also, this is a picture of the textbook. Please note that this book is required for the course and will be used, and you will need to purchase it in order to be successful. I have also copied the first chapter of the book for your review and reading. The first link is chapters 1, pages 1 through 5, and the second link is pages 6 to 21. The next link is the course expectations from you, my role as the instructor, and what you can expect from me. This link is a link to the college's virtual support center. For example, you can find the lab hours for the computer lab, writing center, math center, or any type of help you need this semester. This is a link to the Delaware Tech's academic integrity policy and information about it. Please review the remaining modules, such as the Instructor Information module, which provides you information about me as your instructor, my contact information, and a little background information about me. There is also the syllabus, schedule, and policies. Please read these thoroughly. This provides the college policies, grading, and so forth. The remaining modules are 15 for each of the 15 weeks. Please click on these modules and you will find PowerPoints and your assignments for the 15 weeks of the semester. Of course, week 1, you will have an introductory discussion board and a ready to begin assignment. Both these assignments are mandatory, so please submit them by the due dates, which is September the 3rd. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me at mrawls@dtcc.edu. Again, welcome to the course, and I look forward to working with each and every one of you.